In this video, I'm going to show you how to fire dance by sharing with you a super simple combo that anybody can do. If you're new to the channel, my name is Luke Embers and I'm a fire knife dancer in Chicago. This combo that I'm about to show you is one of my favorites because it combines two simple moves into something complex, and it's something that I use in a lot of my performances. All you're going to need is something to twirl like this practice fire knife, but if you don't have something like this, then you can simply use a broomstick or pole you can find around your home. And with that said, let's do it. All right, so the combo that I'm going to be teaching you guys today is called the hand toss combo, which goes something like this. Now, this combo has two components to it. The overhand toss, which goes like this, and then the underhand toss, which goes like this. Let's break it down. So the overhand toss, all you're going to do is start with your right hand on the right side of the prop. You're going to raise the left side of the prop upward. You're going to raise it, you're going to let it fall on the back of your hand, and then you're going to grab it. So it'll look something like this. All this is a roll behind your hand and re-grabbing it with that same hand. Got it? Try that a couple times. Nice and simple. Just like that. Now, one more part to this move is after the hand roll, you're going to rotate your hand 180 degrees just like this. All right. And from here, you're going to do the exact same thing on your left side. You're going to use your left hand to grab the left side of the prop. You're going to let go of your right hand and you're going to do the same thing on your left. You raise it, catch it behind your hand, re-grab, and then do that 180 degree turn. Got it? So let's try that again. Behind your hand like that, 180 degree turn, overhand grip with your left side, raise it to your left, catch it behind your hand, and do the 180. And this is the first part of this combo. And all you can start doing is alternating between your left and your right hands, just like that. All right, now there's the second part of this move, which is the underhand toss, and it goes like this. Now, in order to do this move, rather than using your right hand over the prop, you're going to put your right hand under the prop like that with an under grip. And then what you're going to do is tilt the prop downward. You're going to let it roll up with some momentum. And you're going to recatch it again, just like that. Okay, let's try that again. So bring it down. As it goes up, you're going to let it roll behind your hand and catch it. Okay, just like that. Now, to connect it with the left side, what you're going to do, you're going to rotate it downward. You're going to grab it up like that. Then you're going to do 180 degree turn, just like that. From here, you're going to grab your left hand, under grip on the left side, let go of your right, and do it again. 180 degree. Bring it down and up and around. 180 degree turn, left hand, do the same thing. Turn. Turn, under grip, turn, under grip. So notice the difference between these two moves. The first one is over your hand, just like that. And the second one is under, just like that. Now we're going to combine the two hand tosses together to make that combo. So we're going to do the overhand toss first, just like this. Roll it up. We're going to do our 180 degree. From here, you're going to under grip with your left side. And then you're going to do the underhand toss on your left side. Then you're going to do that 180 degree turn. Then all you do is start over with your right hand over. So let's try that again. We're going to do the overhand toss with the right hand first, 180 degree turn. You're going to under grip with your left side, and then you're going to do the underhand toss on your left side, just like that. So first you're going to use your right, turn, grab it with your left, underhand toss, 180 degree, under grip, over grip. Now, all you have to do is add some speed. And there you have the hand toss combo. So now that you know this move, all you have to do is keep practicing. The more you do it, the more smooth you'll be, just like that. If you enjoyed learning that combo and want to learn more, you should drop your email through the link in the description below, where you'll receive a free intro to sivaafi, or the Samoan fire knife dance. You'll learn its history, ways to get started, and there's also a bonus tracker to help you track your progress. And with that said, folks, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like always, be what remains, and I'll see you next time. Peace.